SmartComp Expert Mode. SmartComp offers more possibilities for quality and material specialists to apply their expert knowledge and exert more control over the results from the SmartComp module. In addition to choosing a standard and similarity threshold, you can also change the threshold sensitivity to further widen or narrow the results. By disabling virtual limits, you will remove the limits employed by Total Materia to compensate for missing maximum or minimum values in the material composition. This will widen the results and provide more options to consider. By ignoring missing elements, you can sharpen the algorithm, gaining a higher similarity for materials with the exact matching composition compared to the inserted analysis results. The sliders beside each element allow you to increase or decrease the weighting and therefore the importance given to that specific element by SmartComp's search algorithm. As with standard mode, the list of results is shown with a similarity value, and each item can be viewed to check its composition.